Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public WhatsApp group. First, open your WhatsApp application and tap the chat icon to start a new conversation. Next, select New Group from the top of your screen. You'll need to add at least one contact to get started. Finally, give your group a clear and descriptive name, which can be up to 25 characters long. This name helps people understand your group's purpose. Once you've named your group, tap the green checkmark to finalize its creation. Now, to invite more people, tap the group name at the very top of your chat screen to access the group info. Scroll down a bit until you see the option Invite via link. Tapping this will generate a unique, shareable URL. You can then easily share this link through other messaging apps or simply copy it to send manually. As the group admin, you have important controls over how your group functions. To manage these, go back into the group info section and find group settings. Here, you can decide who is allowed to send messages. You can set it so only admins can post or allow all participants to contribute. Additionally, you can control who has permission to edit the group's information, such as its subject or icon, ensuring consistency. To ensure a successful public group, always clearly state its purpose and any rules in the group description. This helps new members understand expectations. Regularly monitor the content to maintain a positive and safe environment for everyone. For larger groups, consider having 2 or 3 admins to help with management. Finally, remember that anyone with the group link can join, so share it thoughtfully. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.